Hi guys, yeah, I'm here outside at the backyard of our house. So because it has a good weather, I went outside and just sitting down at the stairs and looking at the nature, at trees, at the neighbor's house, and also the stray cats that I am feeding. So I love to watch them every day, especially when they are in good condition and in a good weather because at least they are very comfortable and over there's overlooking views. That's my favorite spot, right? Because I can feel a relaxing body when I watch them over there and look at the houses, guys. It has same design and cute. That's the design of the house here in Europe. And also the pine trees, the big pine trees, I really love it. And
Rachel,
see the withered trees
Rachel,
that started to bloom. So yeah, but I didn't go up
Nene.
because I'm afraid of the heights now, especially in time of my accident. So I feel so shaking and when I'm up. So this is my favorite young cat or kitten. Yeah, yeah.
Nene.
I think 3 months old now, going to 4 months, and starting to his journey to go other places, but only the neighbor. Eh, He wants to
Yes,
join with
Turkey.
them. That's
Where are
why.
you going?
So I always get
Where are you
him,
going?
but I cannot
Don't go
control now. But
there.
at least no, even though
Don't go
his
there,
sibling left,
Ming.
he can
Where are you
make his
going?
own life and making uh, mingles with the
Where
other
are
cat
you
also.
going?
So I love to see him
Come
actively
here.
participating and of course eating.
Oops, oh
That's
Ming.
why I see the
Oh my, he will
physique is
try
now
to
okay.
his
He will
neighbor.
try to go there and he's comfortable because the stray cats there are all okay with him. So that's why I let him
Let's see
go
if I
there. So
can bring food.
that's all guys here
Richard,
in my stay in Croatia
Richard.
in Bankovac.
He's cat now.
And
Hey,
it's good that there's a lot
Mika.
of cats
You
here
full?
that I can be busy with, to play with, and to be with them. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye. God bless. Ciao.